Maggie, did you take your meds? I get that question a couple times a week. People know when I have or haven't taken my medication. I have ADHD, attention deficit hyperactive disorder, and I thought that I would show you a visual example of what's going on in my head, or more so the difference between when I take my medication and I don't take my medication in my studies. I am now a college student. I'm going to community college, only taking 2 classes because I don't think I have the work ethic for more than that, and I want to make sure I stay motivated. So this was not an experiment on purpose. This just happened. I'm taking the class statistics, and the teacher gives us these note pages. Well, we can get them from the internet. So this is my notes from one class. Everything's relating to it. It's talking about how I can turn in my homework. Finished is the right numerical order. So everything's related to my homework, which I think is a good thing. And then here, for example, it just says good for only a few variables. And then, this wasn't intentional, but after class one day I looked at my notes, and this is what I had drawn. And I'll read to you a few excerpts. It says, cross street, different place, wall of lady bus, read names of Jewish tombstones, umbrella to avoid drugs, dodge raindrops, Scottish podcasts, spaghetti institution, there's a sheep there, there's jelly on the plate, there's a man conquering my histogram, and then it says idea for Mike. And then I drew a calculator. Anyways, I think this was supposed to be supporting that is what happens when I don't take my meds, and I don't remember anything from that class period. So, it's just showing you, I guess, this is an example of what my mind is thinking during class when I do take my meds and I don't take my meds. When I do take my meds, I think like I'm supposed to. When I don't, my mind is very all over the place. And that's not a bad thing. It's good to be creative and it's good to think around. But I can't be successful if I'm thinking about jelly on the plate when I'm supposed to be thinking about statistics.